Hey there, David Hawk, and today I'm going to run this tumbler. I thought I'd make a video and show you exactly how I do it. It's just a coated tumbler that I bought off of Amazon. It's a Hasle, H-A-S-L-E tumbler, and my little dog just came in, and she's going back up to get on the couch. But anyway, we got to set this. Obviously, I'm running this on my F1, and I'm going to see if I can keep my hands out of the way. If you've got an F1, you know you got to set the focus on it. So you got to line those dots up, which is easier to do with glasses on. And so this is my logo over here that I'm going to run. I've got to turn it sideways so that I can get the, the right orientation on the cup. I've got the RA2 centered, so we're good there. My settings are power 80, speed 300, and then lines per centimeter is 200. And it's blue light to begin with. I've got to make 2 runs on this because the second run I'll run with the IR and that will clean it up. So let me make sure that I'm framed. Oh, you know what? I haven't set up the RA2 yet. Okay. So now we're on the RA2. Now let's see. Let's get our, that is a, you have to set, I set perimeter, which on these is 10.875 in inches. Okay, done. See, no matter how many times you run these things, you still just kind of, I tend to leave stuff out. Luckily, this software is smart enough that it won't run without you doing something. Make sure you get the focus though. That looks pretty good. I like that positioning. I like the size. Let me see what my size is. It's going to be 2.5 inches this way and then 3.25 inches around the cup. And I find 3.5 is good. I don't like going much past 3.5 when I do these tumblers because it just wraps too far. For me anyway. That looks good. So we've got it centered, got everything done. I'll lower this guard as much as I can without hitting the mug, and now we'll run it. All right. So I will bring you back when we're ready to run the next setting. Okay, so you can see the logo has come out very good, but it's a little dark. And we're going to do the second run with the infrared. So the infrared settings are 40 power, 400 speed, and then 300 lines per centimeter. So I'm going to reset. Make sure you don't touch this thing because you need it to run exactly in the same spot. So finish. Let me come over here. I'm changing it to infrared, 40 power, 400 speed, and 300. And that first run took approximately 4.5 minutes, I'd say. I didn't time it and I didn't look at it, sorry. So, okay, 40 power, 400 speed, 300 lines per centimeter. We're going to run this one. And you'll see how it cleans it up dramatically. So this is, while it's an extra step and some extra time, it's well worth it. The mug or the tumbler will look so much better. So this is it. I'll show it to you when it comes out. All right, so it looks like we're done. The infrared ran 6 minutes and 35 seconds. So I was probably off. That first run probably ran a little bit longer than this because this was 400 speed. That other one was 3. So anyway, time flies when you're having fun, right? So what I want to show you, let's just take this thing out. Sorry about the noise there. Look at that. I mean, that thing, it just came out looking super. If you want to know how I got the clean line, I actually vectorized this logo and I did that within xTool Studio software. I think there was a video 2 weeks ago, but look at vectorizing a logo, something like that. I can't remember the exact name of that video, but I did a video on how I do that and how I pulled it into xTool Studio, converted it. I'll see if I can't link that video to this. If I can, it'll be up here somewhere. If I can't, then just, you know, do a little search on my channel here. But anyway, that is how I do tumblers. They come out super. People like them, and, you know, make a little bit of money. Talk soon. Thanks. Have a good day. Oh, and if there's anything I can answer, let me know down in the comments. I read the comments. I will answer anything I can. I'm happy to share whatever knowledge that I have. Some people also want to know how I came up with the settings, and I come up with those by running these test grids. And you can see I ran a lot on this tumbler, and what I was really trying to do is find this, the dark setting for the silver. That's why that's up there, and that's how you do that, is running test grids and finding that out. And so cool. I've got a video on running or making test grids in xTool, or actually XCS software, which was xTool's, whatever it stood for, creative space, and it converts over into xTool Studio though. So check that out and you'll figure it out. It's real easy. It's a step-by-step video. So thank you for watching. Oh, if you can, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Talk soon. Thanks. Bye.